Today is day 4 of decoding and fixing 10 of your watercolor paintings in 10 days. We had a lot of fun yesterday. We're gonna have fun today. Hey folks, welcome back to yet another video on watercolor. So today's painting is from Lucia Marcia Andre. This is the painting. This is the reference, which is my painting. We couldn't find the main reference. First of all, let me show you the mistakes. There are two main mistakes. Number one, you were scared to paint the background. It's just too weak. It looks very underconfident. Even the foreground, there is not much weight to it. Then these birds, you never paint these birds in such a line. You see? You never do that. There is always a story behind how the birds are flying. For example, in my painting, as you can see, there is some kind of disturbance in the tree or some kind of sound they heard. Maybe they got scared and they just took off from that tree. So it looks busy over here because they just took off and gradually spread all throughout the sky. This is how you do it. You also don't paint the birds all the same size. These are tiny ones. This is the big one. This is the bigger ones. Small, big, okay? Let's quickly break it down. The frame. Easy. The horizon line. The mountain. The foreground. The trees. So simple. Let's quickly sketch it out now. The frame. Horizon line. Foreground. Mountain. The trees. Here are the values. The sky is very light. The mountain is a bit darker than the sky. And the foreground is way darker than the mountain. And the trees are the darkest darks in the whole painting. And to separate the background from the foreground, we had this very simple lake. Alright, let me show you. First, the sky. Very weak sky. Then we have the mountains. We'll put more power. Then we have the foreground, a bit more power. And then the trees, most power. That's it. Let's dive straight into the watercolor painting.